everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to do a very different kind of video. I've never done this video before. I'm going to try these eyeliner slash eyeshadow stencils. They claim to make your eyeliner and eyeshadow experience easier. Obviously that's what stencils do, and they say that they can help you achieve 10 shapes of eye makeup. Basically, after you get this thing, you don't have to worry about your eyeliners and eyeshadows. You just have to use this stencil and that's it. I'm just telling you what it claims, not what it actually does. So let's see how much of these claims are actually true. So these are the stencils up close. When I ordered them, I kind of expected them to be a little bit smaller because nobody has such big eyes, but it's going to be a task to work with them because they're so big. So first I'm going to start with this one. This claims to give you 2 different eyeliner shapes and 3 eyeshadow shapes. The stencil itself has numbers written on them so that it's easier for you guys to refer to the instructions. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Paints liquid eyeliner for this. Now I have to adjust this really nicely to my eyes. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, I think I've got the right shape, but now I have to hold it and fill in my liner. It's so difficult to adjust. I'm not able to. Let's start filling this in. Speaking. Not bad. I'm quite impressed, and my stencil is on the floor. I mean, it did a pretty good job. So this is the conclusion of number 1. You can always go ahead and fill the gaps, but it did give you a really nice wing, I must say that. So I approve the number 1. Moving to number 2. Number 2, I have to put it like this. I don't think this is a good idea, but I'm still gonna try it. I'm having a really hard time adjusting them. I don't know how they expect us to do it. You definitely get a shape, but it's so difficult to hold them and apply the product at the same time. Where's the cap? Okay, I'll move to the third one now. Okay, the third one is an eyeshadow. Okay, fine. No, it's an eyeliner. I'm gonna have to adjust it underneath my eyes and just draw, I guess. It looks so bad. What does this thing even do? Why do you have to apply liner underneath your eyes? You have to apply eyeshadow. Okay, let's move to the fourth one. This one is an eyeshadow. It looks somewhat like this, and okay, you have to apply the eyeshadow on your eyelid. Number 4 is this, and it's gonna help you apply eyeshadow. Okay. I mean, it did give a very, very nice shape. You can always adjust it like I did, but I think it's kind of unnecessary. I mean, you can come up with a better eyeshadow without using this. I mean, I can. And you don't need this thing to apply an eyeshadow, I believe. Okay, let's see again. it did give a very nice effect, but still you have to blend it all in even after using it. So I think I won't use this for eyeshadow. Now the fifth one is this. Okay, I have to put it on my eye like so. Again. Fairly decent job. I mean, again, you have to blend it all out after using this, so kind of pointless. You can just put on eyeshadow freehand and it's gonna give the same effect. So I don't think you need it for an eyeshadow. This is the second one, and I'm gonna start with number 6. Place it on my eyes like this. Like how? Okay, like this. If I am struggling, obviously a beginner is going to struggle too. You don't need a stencil to apply a straight line. You can just apply a straight line with free hand, and this does not even work. This does not even give you a straight line. It gives you a curved line. Why would anybody want a curved line over here? I'm gonna keep all of these things in, like how I'm struggling to get the liner right, so that you guys can also understand how much you are going to struggle with this. I think I did it more by myself than using this, so this just did not work. Number 6, no. Number 7 is an eyeshadow. I have to place this like that and just apply the eyeshadow. Why did they have to include eyeshadow? I don't know. It does give you a straight line, but you can use any paper or cardboard to do that and it works just as fine. Plus it's poking me in the eye. So by the end of the video, if I go blind, it's because of this product. Oh, not for eyeshadow. No. Next is number 8. I have to place it on my eyes right here, and what do I have to do? Just draw a straight line.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
I don't think this can do anything. I'm tired, my back is paining. No, not this one. It is number 9, and I have to put it over here and draw a wing. Sounds pretty easy. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I did get a good line with it. Let me try to do it again. You can just draw a line and complete the liner. Okay, number 10. I have to put it on my eye like that and just fill in. I did get a nice shape. I can fill it in. This looks nice, but what's the point? You just get one line and then you have to do the rest of the liner by yourself, so I think it's pretty pointless, and plus it took a lot of struggle. So that's that. I'm gonna show you how I do my liner freehand. And that's it. Basically, in totality, you cannot use this thing for anything, and not a complete wing, not eyeshadow, nothing. So whatever this thing claims to be, it's a complete contradiction to what it does. So yeah, I don't think it's worth it. I know it's not very expensive or anything, but still it gives you a lot of struggle, a lot of pain to get a wing liner. I did it freehand. You just need some practice, and you can do it as well. Definitely you don't need these things to complete or do your eyeliner every day, especially if you're an office goer. I don't think you have so much time to adjust this thing to your eye, catch it, and then draw, fill it in, whatever. So it's not at all a thing that does not consume your time. It does consume a lot of time. It's not like you can just use it and voila, you have a very sharp and precise wing. No, nothing of that sorts. It's not worth it. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because you know it means a lot to me. Leave your comments and suggestions down below into the comment section. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, see you soon. Bye.